All right, easy now, watch the ramp. Keep them moving, don't let them stop. Open the next gate. Easy now, keep the pace steady, watch the footing right there. All right, bring them on through. The coat texture is excellent under this light. See the skin folds?
Agreed. Let's move to the next pen after this one.
Easy now, nice and slow. Keep them moving to the right. Watch the gate on your left, pull them through. Look at the definition on this one. He's gaining mass well.
Yeah, legs look solid, no swelling. We should move him to pen 12. Check the vascularity on the shoulder.
Noted. We need to monitor the feed conversion rates in this section. More on this side. Watch your feet back there. Keep an eye on the water flow over there. We don't want any clogs. Push hard on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Check the hide on this guy. See the blue patches coming in.
Yeah, noted. Feed conversion is looking excellent across the board this week.
Watch his back left leg. Get the mud off the chest. Get the hind legs right here. Keep the pressure steady, move them forward. Easy now, keep moving straight ahead. Watch the gate on the right, clear.
Check the caliper reading on this section. It's holding up well, very thick. But look at the grain consistency here. We need to trim this edge right here. All right, pull it tighter on your side. Check the grain on this section here. It's almost 2 inches thick. Yeah, but the consistency near the edge is a little off. Pull it tighter on your side, Ben. All right, hold it steady right there. I'm almost through this section. Watch the swing, bring it up slow. Got it, clearing the platform now. Pull it to the left, more pressure on the center. I'm trying, it's too heavy. Keep the line moving. Check the creases on the blue patch. Stretch it out more on your end. We need to clear this section. Looks good here, nice and smooth. Check the thickness on this edge though. Seems a bit off. Cover that corner completely. How much further down do you want it? Stop right there, that's enough for this one. Get the hook under the edge. We need more pressure on the center. We need more salt over here. Yeah, make sure the edges are completely covered before we move it.
Make sure the grain is completely coated.
We are almost done with this side.
Watch the runoff near the drain.
We need another bag over here. All right, grab one from the top stack. Watch out for the forklift. All right, pull it hard on your side. Yeah. Watch the stack behind you. Push. Keep it steady on the left. Watch that puddle. Keep it steady now, through the door. Almost there. Push hard. Grab the other end. This one is heavy. Pull it up higher. Let me see the grain. Pull it left. Watch the chain. Got it. Bring the crane down slowly now. Okay, heave on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Keep it coming up. All right, heave. Pull it up. Watch the corner there. Keep steady. We almost got it clear. Bring it up easy. Watch the line tension. East side clear. Keep it coming slow. Steady, steady. Hold it there. The thickness here is holding steady at 3.2 millimeters. Moisture's dropping slowly. All right. Check the consistency around that blue patch. All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. It's stuck. Pull harder on your side. Got it. Keep it moving.
Keep it steady on the left side. Watch the chains. She's slipping. Clear the platform below.
Watch your footing. Push it under now. Got it. Keep the chain tight. All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Pull. It's too heavy. Keep going. We almost got it clear. Pull. Harder. I'm trying. Ready. Heave. Ease the tension on the main line. Watch the splash zone. Keep lifting. Moving it clear now. Thickness looks good here, but this patch needs a little more time to dry properly. Keep the water steady over there. Okay, I'm scrubbing this section now. All right, pull your end, keep it moving. Careful with the steel ring. Almost in, keep pushing.
Lock the main clamps now.
Number 3 is still loose, tighten it down. Pressure rising, secure the vents. Hit the center seam. I'm on it, watch the backsplash. We need more pressure over here. The gauge is showing a steady drop. All right, let's keep the pressure consistent until it's clear. All right, lift it up now. Watch the corner, it's dragging. Heave. Get the crane moving. All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep it steady on your end, Dave. Watch the chain. Keep it steady on the left side. All right, push it through now. Watch the edge. All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Keep it steady. Get the edge with the long hook. Got it. Now rotate it counterclockwise. Pull it hard on your side. Okay, I got it. Keep it moving. Watch the chain. Watch the chain. The color uniformity on this one is excellent. Yeah, but look at this grain pattern near the edge. It's inconsistent. Push it to the left.
Okay, I got it.
Keep it steady, here it comes. Pull it left, pull it left. Keep it straight, almost there. Watch the edge, don't let it fold. We need more pressure on the left side. Keep it centered.
Adjusting the tension now.
Push it hard, align with the roller. Okay, I'm clear. Keep it coming. Okay, hold it steady on the left side, ready for the cut. Blade engaging. Keep your hands clear. Finish looks good here.
Hold on, check this section. I'm seeing some grain irregularity.
Yeah, feels thin on the edge.
Let's double check.
Check the grain consistency here. The blue patching is prominent.
Yeah, but the thickness gauge reads within tolerance. The grain consistency here is perfect.
Check the thickness on this edge though.
All right, let's get this tagged for shipment. Look at this grind pattern, it's a bit off from the standard. Agreed. We should flag this area before it moves to cutting. Okay, pull it tight on your end. It's stretched. Where's the next template go? Right here, align with the seam. We need more dark brown on line 3. Coming right up. Keep that conveyor moving.
The craftsmanship on this batch is superb. Look at the stitching accuracy.
Absolutely. The zipper function is smooth and the collar shape is structured perfectly.
Watch your step on this wet patch. Almost lost it last time.
Yeah, these jackets are worth more than my truck. Staging area next, right?
This Belgian Blue is coming along nicely.
Yeah, the grain on this hide is exceptional. The conditioner is really bringing out the depth.
Look at how the blue tone comes out under the press.
Yeah, that grain is perfect now. We need to move this batch to inspection. Zipper runs smooth. Feel the weight on this hide.
Yeah. Top grade, very consistent finish.
Fit is excellent. Shoulders look good.
I agree.
This batch is ready for the showroom floor.
These Belgian Blues are the finest we've ever handled.
Absolutely. The craftsmanship on these is unmatched. Take a look at the grain on this Belgian Blue hide. We utilized heavy-duty zippers and fully reinforced the stitching for unmatched durability. Check the seam alignment here. The stitching is perfect.
And the grain on this Belgian Blue is flawless. This batch is ready. This batch of Belgian Blue looks incredible. Make sure they're arranged by size before the shipment arrives.
Got it. I'll double check the stitching. Make sure these Belgian Blues are handled with care. They're top dollar.
Don't worry, we got them. Heading to the inspection area now.
Belgian Blue Lot 4R. The finish is holding up well. No signs of cracking near the collar structure.